Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make gradient in TinkerCAD. So basically just take a random figure. I will take this rectangle and just build a box, the tower, and basically I will click duplicate and repeat. Okay, and now what I will do is basically put on top of that. So I will just do like that, and as you can see, okay, something like that. You can align to make it perfect, but now I will be okay with that. And now just click on your figure, then select your color. So let's say the red, then select this red, and then select this red. And that's how you'll be able to achieve the gradient effect on TinkerCAD. So as you can see, you can turn multicolor or just a custom and select a more different color. And let's say if you go to the custom, you can just play around with it and make a gradient effect on these shapes. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.